Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to Awesome English. In this lesson, we're going to learn all about pathetic fallacy. Now, this is an awesome literary device you can use in your writing. All right, let's get moving. Oh, it's raining. It's so sad. This rain, it's like tears. It's reflecting my emotions. Check out this guy here. He's also super sad. You can see it on his face, and the rain is reflecting that. So pathetic fallacy is where we use nature to express our emotions. All right, let's learn more. All right, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. These are the objectives we want to achieve by the end of the lesson. So our first objective is to know what is pathetic fallacy. Then the next one is to know some examples of pathetic fallacy. And our final one is to practice using pathetic fallacy in our writing. All right, let's keep going. So what is pathetic fallacy? It's a literary device. It's a bit like personification. We use it to describe the character's feelings through their environment and through nature. It's used to reflect their actions and emotions. Now, if it's a rainy day, maybe the character is sad. If it's a sunny day, perhaps the character is happy. Through this strategy, we can describe the character's feelings rather than just writing Bob was sad or Sally was happy. Using pathetic fallacy makes us awesome writers. Let's keep moving. All right, let's do some together. Now, you can do this as a think, pair, share, or you can do it by yourself. Let's check out some pictures of nature. So here are some pictures of nature, and we're going to give you some sentence starters as well to help you out. We have the angry wind, the cruel ocean, the tired plant, and the happy stars. Now, you can use these phrases and these pictures to come up with some pathetic fallacy sentences. So spend a few minutes now. You can talk to the person next to you or write some of them down. Let's start practicing pathetic fallacy. Go. All right, I hope you had some fun working on that pathetic fallacy. Here are some examples that we've come up with at Awesome English. Now, if you like these or you like some of the ones that you have come up with, make sure you write them down and use them in your writing. Let's keep learning. Let's do some independent learning. You should now know what pathetic fallacy is. Hopefully, you had some success writing some sentences with some evidence of pathetic fallacy. So now it's over to you. Let's consolidate our learning. You should now know that pathetic fallacy is a literary device. It's a type of personification and it reflects the character's emotions in nature. So go and write 3 to 5 of your favorite pathetic fallacies today, and remember to use it in your writing. I'll see you next time, and remember to stay awesome.